In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can use Terraform to create a KVM virtual machine, kind of like a quick proof of concept, just to show that you can do it. It's not going to be a very useful one. We're going to do that in the next video. So anyways, we're going to start off by running vir-sh list -- all and see that there are two hosts already existing there, so two existing VMs. Now we're going to edit our main.tf file. Notice we have our provider defined here, and that's our libvirt provider. And here we have a resource, a libvirt domain named test1. And normally you'd specify a bunch more options, but we're just doing the most simple test case we can here. And a domain is basically a VM. And so we're going to run Terraform init to pull down all the stuff for the provider and get everything ready to go. Now we're going to run Terraform plan, and this is going to show you what it plans to do. So it's going to be creating this domain for us. And so that's basically what it's going to do there. Going to add one thing, change 0 things, and destroy 0 things. So now we're going to go ahead and run Terraform apply. Going to look over what it's going to do once again. It's basically the same thing that plan told us it would do. Then we're going to say yes and let it run. So there we go. It ran pretty quickly. Now this does not have a very big disk, and it doesn't have an OS installed on or anything. Now notice here, test1 at the bottom, that's a third virtual machine created. That's the new one that we just created with Terraform. Now we can't do a whole lot with it because really you're going to need to specify a whole lot more. But yeah, that one's coming up in another video. Actually, yeah, the other video is going to be published at the time of publishing this one too. So go check that one out in our list of published content. Actually, on the same playlist, you're going to see that video. But a more full example, but this is just like a hello world example of what you could do. So anyways, Terraform destroy to destroy it. So this is my objective was just to get you the absolute most simple example of how to create a KVM virtual machine using Terraform. And there we go. Now we see it's gone. So that's pretty much it.
So go ahead and hit that like button, and you're going to want to hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on all the great content we have coming up. We'll also have a lot of great content we've already put out, so you're going to want to go ahead and look at that history of videos that we have, and make sure you also hit the bell icon. Otherwise YouTube's not going to let you know when we do come out with a new video, and again, you're not going to want to miss some of the stuff we have coming up. So yeah, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon, and more importantly, leave a comment down below. Not just for me, but for the next person who comes along and watches this video. They'll see your comments and be that much more informed. If you know something I don't know, leave a comment down below. Any comments, questions, criticisms, whatever you want to say, we do want to hear it. So leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.